Hey guys, good morning. It's Chaz and welcome to part 2 of my Australia vlog, and I'm finally here in Melbourne. So yesterday, my flight from Sydney was super quick lang and hindi siya hassle kasi meron silang Skybus and very easy lang yung Uber nila. So nag-settle down lang muna ako here sa Airbnb, nag-grocery, nag-shower, natulog, and that's it. Time check, it's 10 a.m. I just finished my Pilates class. I'm just super happy kasi ang lapit ko na sa mga studio since I'm in the city area. So my plan for today is just to chill and study kasi gusto ko muna mag-review before my exam. I already have food naman to cook for lunch and dinner, so okay na yan. Maybe I'll just go out for coffee or matcha or something, but let's see. So ideally, I will be wearing gloves since I'm in contact with body fluids. This will help in healing the wound properly, okay? So if you need anything, let me know. Here's the button. And our lunch is served. Super nice. Chicken, sweet potatoes, and vegetable. Gusto kong i-taste tong sweet potato kasi super golden niya. Chicken breast. So good. I went here sa coffee shop sa baba ng Airbnb and I ordered oat milk flat white. Hindi na ako masyadong lumayo guys kasi gusto ko muna mag-focus sa review. So I'm here to work and study and edit some videos. And also guys, kasi alam ko na bukas lalabas ako cause my mom is coming tonight. So I'm very excited. Kaya while wala pa siya, mag-aral muna tayo. Check, it's 1 a.m. and let's surprise my mom because she's here.
Saan nagtaga rito eh.
Hey! Hey guys, good morning. It's day 2 in Melbourne and Mama's here. Happy Mother's Day! Mag-explore lang kami ng Melbourne CBD, coffee shop hopping, lunch, shopping, and take pictures. So nice here and ang lakas ng loob ko kasi hindi ako naka-leggings, naka-skirt lang ako. So sana hindi ako lamigin later. Let's try their pumpkin spice. Oh my gosh, guys, ang sarap! It's super nice! Ang spicy nung lasa niya. Here's my creation. Sourdough bread, avocado with goat cheese, and spiced salmon with pepper and lemon. Let's taste. Guys, as in, ang sarap.
Jackets. I was a fashion photographer.
Thank you so much. He liked our fashion sense. Napipila siya. Super lang. Time time check, it's 8:30 p.m. and I'm super tired kasi inikot-ata namin yung buong CBD. Hindi ko na-expect na ganun siya kalaki. But it was super nice kasi ang ganda ng place, ang ganda ng weather, and also free pa yung public transport nila for the month of May. So, super sakto. Anyway, I wanna do a quick haul of everything I got from today. So, first from Lululemon, I got a hot yoga towel in pink. Super cute ng color niya and design. So, ito kasi yung nilalagay sa taas ng yoga mat whenever you do hot yoga or hot pilates para hindi slippery yung mat. So, I'm super excited to use this for my workouts. Then, from Mecca, I got a few products. First is the Lanolin Everyday Cream. So, I'm just planning to use this as a lotion in my purse kasi super dry talaga ng skin ko. So, I wanna stay moisturized. I also got eye patches from Patchology. So, this one has caffeine para daw mag-depuff ng under eyes. Ewan ko if effective siya, but let's see. And from Frank Body, I got 2 body scrubs kasi mahilig ako sa mga ganitong products. So, first is the Glycolic Body Scrub and the Original Coffee Scrub. So, this one is for dark spots and bumps. I don't know. Mahilig lang talaga akong gumamit ng mga ganito. This one is actually an Australian brand for body products. Then, share ko lang din yung binili ko nung nag-Mecca ako sa Sydney. I have the Tower 28 SOS Spray. So, this one is to prevent breakouts. And the Rhode Peptide Lip Boost. Ginagamit ko na to guys. Ang effective niya kasi even in the morning, after mo i-apply sa night, super hydrated talaga ng lips mo. So, I highly recommend. And lastly, from T2, I got the Feel Good tea set. Super sarap ng tea nila. And also, yung tea bags is not made from plastic. It's made from plants. So, that's a plus. I'll definitely post a review on my TikTok account. And it's been a very long and tiring day. Pero hindi pa tapos yung araw ko because I still have one-on-one coaching. And I'll still review after this. So, good night, guys. I will see you all tomorrow. Good morning! It's the day before my exam, so it's gonna be a relax and chill day. Ayan si Mama, nagsa-selfie siya kasi bumili siya ng bagong matching set. And the agenda is to go to a Pilates class, mag-coffee shop. Pero hindi kami sabay. Si Mama is for the beginners one, ako performance class. And then, magluluto lang kami dito kasi nag-grocery kami last night. Ayan, Mama, pakita mo naman yung matching set mo. Mag-fit check ka dito. With her aloe cup and aloe sweatshirt and bumili ata siya sa Oysho ng yoga set. So, let's go! Ang cute ng coffee shop na to. It's O3 South Bank. Parang siyang setting ng Harry Potter na may pagka-library vibes. Super perfect for working and studying. Let's try my Hojicha latte. Super good. It's not too sweet. She's officially in her Pilates era. How's your experience?
Well, enjoy. Na-stretch yung aking body, yung mga alak-alakan ko ba? Alam mo yon. And then, syempre, careful ako sa aking tuhod.
Our lunch for today is grass-fed steak. For dinner, I'm craving for Thai food. So, let's have pad Thai. Malapit lang siya ng restaurant din sa Airbnb namin. And ang authentic ng food nila. So good. Hey guys, it's my exam day. I'm just getting ready para naman presentable ako later. I'm so excited to finally take it kasi gusto ko na siyang matapos. Alam niyo yun, yung feeling na parang lagi kang nagpre-prepare for something, hindi ka makarelax. Pupunta muna kami sa isang brunch place na walking distance dun sa exam place kasi hapon pa yung schedule ko. So, please pray for me. Wish me luck. Commercial lang guys, super love ko tong brushes na to, Hourglass Powder Brush and Makeup by Mario F4 Brush. As in, ang travel friendly niya and pwede mo na kasi siyang gamitin for cream, bronzer, or concealer and foundation, and then ito for all powder products. Super worth it. Ang goal ng makeup look ko for today is magmukhang angelic, yung parang tayo si Florence Nightingale. Baka may added points kapag mukha tayong super bait na nurse. I think I'm ready. Here's the final look. Ito pa rin yung scrubs na hiniram ko kay mama. And yeah, let's go. Tinanggal ko pala yung piercing ko and jewelry kasi bawal, and also no nails, kaya I look so bare. I don't know how I'm feeling right now. I think half nervous, half excited kasi syempre I don't know what's gonna happen, but I'm really trusting myself, trusting my preparation, and also trusting God kasi andito na naman tayo. Promise ko lang talaga sa self ko is in any station, I will not hold back, I will do my best, and then after that, let go and let God. Good morning, guys! We're spending the day at Brunswick. Ito daw yung food capital of Melbourne. So we're gonna try a lot of food spots and check out vintage stores. Super cute ng place na to. Very vintage looking, peaceful, and parang feel mo yung soul ng city. So our first stop is Ona Coffee. It's a very famous coffee shop here, and let me show you what we got. Wow, so cute! I like their studio! Oh my gosh, guys, super cute ng studio nila. Time check, it's 2:54 p.m. and we're here at OSCE, which is a famous matcha spot. Buti naabutan namin kasi 3 p.m. close na sila. And super nice kasi binigyan nila kami ng free drink kasi naubusan sila ng cream for my mango matcha. So meron pa kaming chai hojicha. Let's taste. Super nice. This one is really refreshing kasi meron siyang coconut water. Hey guys, it's an early start of the day. I already have my usual oat milk flat white. We're going on a tour today to Puffing Billy. It's like a vintage train. And then watch the penguin parade at night. I don't know if pwede mag-vlog doon, but let's see. Also pala last night, we went on a dinner to an Argentinian restaurant. It's called Asado. We were with friends in Melbourne. It was super fun. And here's my mom today. Hi! Yeah, andun na yung bus namin for the tour, and let's go. Grabe yung araw nila, parang napipeel mo ng sobra sa skin. Super strong niya sa skin, kaya need talaga ng sunscreen. Hey guys, time check. It's 5:30 p.m. and nandito lang kami sa area for the penguin parade. We're waiting until 6 p.m. kasi yun yung time na lalabas yung penguins. I don't think magvi-video or photo ako kasi sensitive pala yung eyes ng penguins, so ayoko naman silang ma-harm. Anyway, it's a really good tour kasi nakapag-puffing billy kami, which is always overbooked. Pero nag-book kasi kami via Klook kasama to. So I think that's a good deal naman na. Hey guys, it's May 16 and it's my mom's last day. So, andito lang kami sa Queen Victoria Market to roam around, eat. Ang dami ditong stalls, like different cuisine siya. For me naman, I still have 3 days left. So, I think magsuspend ako ng time sa mga libraries and also try out different studios. Super cute talaga mga libraries nila dito kasi free, and then wala, maganda lang talaga siyang magbasa ng book or kaya mag-study, mag-work from home, ganun. Good, but I feel like masyadong mahaba yung shorts, or I don't know. This is the Lululemon Align pants, and then ito yung Lulu bra. I think I'm gonna get this set. It's super soft, and ang ganda ng compression niya sa body. Bye-bye!
Hello, bye-bye. Thank you, Melbourne. See you again soon.
Time check, it's almost 8 p.m. My mom's at the airport already. And for me naman, nag-workout lang ako sa baba. I did a little bit of strength training. And for dinner, I'll just have the other half of my bagels earlier kasi hindi ko siya naubos. And for tonight, I'm just gonna chill kasi sobrang pagod ko guys lately in the past few days. Wala akong pahinga since I arrived here, like study, exam, going out. And this will be the first night na rest lang muna tayo. And for the next 3 days, gusto ko no pressure. Kung ano lang yung mangyari for the day, I'm good to go. So, good night for now, guys. Hey guys, it's raining so hard today kaya nabasa ako kanina on the way to Pilates. I'm just making breakfast and mag-aayos ako ng gamit kasi I'll be transferring to a different Airbnb. It's the same building but different unit kasi hindi na to available. Anyway, today's gonna be a chill day lang. I'm gonna edit this video and do some content kasi ang dami kong products na need gawa ng videos. And yeah, I want today to be a very productive day, sana, even if it's raining and hindi ako tamarin. So I'm gonna update you guys later. We're finally checked in. Grabe, ang tagal ko naghintay and I'm so hungry. So I ordered lunch. This is salmon sashimi and salmon roll. Grabe guys, like ang haba ng mga nilakad ko kasi wala akong magawa. Like, iniwan ko yung luggage ko dito, nag-coffee shop ako, and then nag-ikot-ikot lang ako hanggang sa mahanap ko to. And now, finally, I can rest. So let's have lunch. Good morning guys! Quick fit check of my matching set from Cheek. It's super cute in this baby pink color. Sorry ang kalat kasi nag-video ako ng content. Anyway, we're going out with a friend today. So I'm gonna bring you guys with me. Alright, for 5 more sets. A little bit higher, peeling off your shoulders. Good. Hey guys, we're currently at St. Kilda Beach. Hi, Ange! Grabe yung in-order naming lunch. Super dami. Salmon plate and chicken plate. This is our yogurt. Mine is acai.
I can't remember mine. Tart and mango.
Nabudol ko si Ange mag-class pass. So, meron na kami ngayong session ng hot mat ng 5:30 p.m. Super biglaan.
Red light and speed camera.
Yeah, it's super hot, but I like their workout here. It's super nice. Hey guys, I'm home. Time check, it's 7:40 p.m. It was a super fun day with Ange and I'm super happy kasi napawisan na ako finally kasi nga 'di ba super lamig dito. And gusto ko palang ipakita guys, bumili ako kanina ng black seedless grapes kasi gusto ko ng snacks for my Netflix time. And also nakahanap na ako finally ng Marvis toothpaste. This is gonna be a gift and for my dinner naman is gonna be my leftovers from yesterday. For tonight, I'm just gonna shower, chill, and maybe pack a little kasi last day ko na tomorrow. Good morning guys! It's May 19 and it's my last full day here in Melbourne. So I just have a Pilates class ng 9:30 a.m. and then after that mag-aayos lang ako and then go out again so we can spend our day together. Hey guys, time for our afternoon coffee. I'm here at Good Measure and sila daw yung original maker ng Mont Blanc so I wanna try. If you don't know, it's cold brew and then make cream with citrus flavor and it's really good. Taste test. Super good guys. There's a reason ba siya pinipilahan and it's quite expensive but I think it's worth the price. Hey guys, thank you for watching my vlog and here's a reminder that it's okay for you to dream big enough that it scares you, but always know that your dreams are bigger than your fears.